Hi, my name is Bre Wolfe, and I am so excited to introduce to you my new book. It's called Breathe, Your Guide to Cannabis, Yoga, and Spirituality. I believe that every single person can access the light within them, and everyone is made of light. And in my book, I detail the process of how you can uncover your own light. I take you through the journey that I went through in the process of unveiling who I really was so that I could connect to my true soul nature. And this is a guide showing you how you can do the exact same thing. In this book, I will show you how to use yoga and cannabis in a way that helps you access your truest essence. I will tell you about the power of intention and how it powerfully cultivates the desire that you have to create for your life or for that particular session. I detail the ways that you can uncover the darkness that can accumulate with a lifetime of just living on the planet. And I help you create ritual and ceremony using cannabis, using crystals, and the power of intention. And I go through the history of cannabis and yoga, how it dates back thousands of years ago. This book is filled with a myriad of gifts, and it talks about the ways that cannabis has truly been a plant ally for humankind for thousands and thousands of years. So I am really excited that this book has come through me. I feel blessed, I feel honored, and if you're interested in reading your own copy of Breathe, your guide to cannabis, yoga, and spirituality, you can just click on the link down below to order your copy. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me.